Right, guys, so after you have installed the new drivers on your Steam Deck, this is what happens. So I want to kind of show you that it's easier to use what you call this thing, Windows Mobility Center, because you see it's flipped my screen, you see, and it's a bit tricky, but if I can just rotate it again, I'm using what you call this thing, Windows Mobility Center. It's just a bit tricky. I think I could actually use my finger, right? Yeah, you see. So you can just use your finger. So you see, basically, I just wanted to show you that I upgraded this thing. So we're going to display. We go to display, advanced display, display this one. Oh my God. What happened? Oh no. Oh my God. I think it's removed my drivers. Yeah, it did. That's so weird. It actually removed my drivers. You see, I used to have 4 gigabyte over here for VRAM. So let me try and do this again. I don't know what happened. So I did manage to create a what you call this thing. Sorry, let me jump into this thing. I did manage to create a restore point, so I can always go back to the restore point. But I do believe that this is the actual updates on Steam website. You see, I actually created this thing, the Steam Windows drivers, and that is the GFX. You see, it's the real GFX. It's the AMD software, and this is the one supplied for the Steam Deck. So I'm just wondering, like, why did he do that? You see that Adrenaline AMD software Adrenaline Edition driver installer. So I'm just wondering, like, why did it? You see, it actually says AMD custom GPU 0405. So it is. Sorry guys, I just need to write this down. I write things down so I don't forget. Because if I don't write it down, I'll forget how to do this. So it's Adrenaline Edition driver. So this is AMD driver for the Steam Deck. So I don't know what happened, but it seems like it's removed the current driver that I've got. Because you see in here where it says additional options, it says factory reset optional. You see there? I went for full install. I didn't go for anything else. And I don't know what has happened. So I'm just going to go click there, optional, and then I'm going to click here. You see? So this is the actual software for the Steam Deck. So I do not know. I don't know what has transpired, what has happened. Because, on my VRAM as well, it was 4 gigabytes. I'm currently on Windows 11 Pro on the Steam Deck. As for the other one, well, the other one's on Steam operating system. That one I'm using the beta. I'm actually using a beta. I'm using the preview build on the Steam operating system on the other one. I'll just quickly show you the other one. And this is the other one. This is the one I'm talking about. That's on the preview build of Steam Deck. I mean Steam operating system. And bringing that quickly back to this one. This is AMD Software Adrenaline Edition driver installer. AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. So I'm having to do a factory reset. A factory reset of the driver, not the Steam Deck. So I did create a restore point before actually going forward with the update. Because the last time when I tried to do an update on Windows 11, it crashed my Steam Deck. It used to give me blue screens. And the only way I found to fix that was to actually go back into Windows 10, update the driver, and then you see, so it says the system will restart. We're going to restart that now. And I'm hoping that this is going to fix the problem. Because this happened last time with Windows 11, and it gave me a blue screen. I had to go back into Windows 10, and then do the update through Windows 10. And then update to Windows 11. So I'm hoping that's not the case, because that means factory resetting the whole Steam Deck, which I do not want to do. So I'm showing you guys what's going on. With the driver for February 2023, it was actually working. This is the March update for 2023, and the screen's just gone blank.
Now connected to Geotrans.
Right, so it's saying it's reconnected. The mouse thing has gone all green. See, the mouse thing is changing colors. You see that? The mouse is changing colors. So that means it's actually connected. This is the Logitech G502 Hero. So this is it's a mechanical mouse. It's a gaming mouse, as you can see. It's actually connected to the hub, because what I do is when I had my OLED, I don't have my OLED at the moment. So the OLED dock is that dock there. And when I had the OLED, obviously I was doing things on it. There's no response. Right, I know it said it was connected, so it should. I don't even know what's going on now. I'm totally confused, because the last time. So I don't know if it's okay. So I don't know if it's on or off. So I think I may have turned it off. The screen was just black. I mean, it wasn't turning on. So I don't know if it's on or off. Let me just check. There's no light. It's not showing me anything. Let me try again. Gonna click on it.
Now connected to Geotrans.
And as you can see, nothing is coming on. Right, I don't know what's going on. I'm totally confused. I don't know what's going on. It's not even turning on, nothing. So do I have to? I mean, the good thing is my Steam Deck has no screws on it, but I didn't expect it to be like this. So I'm just giving you guys a warning. If you're gonna update your Steam Deck, try and create a restore point. Yeah. I don't know what's happening. It's like it's not even turning on now. But what I'm saying is create a restore point. I do know how to fix it. All I have to do is remove the SSD from this one. If I remove the SSD out of this one
connected to Geotrans
and put it onto my other Steam Deck, it will turn on. But then that means the SSD that is in this one will be trash. You understand? So it's like it's killed everything. So it's not even showing anything, nothing. I will need to find out what's going on. I don't know if this is actually on or not. The fans, I mean, there is some kind of heat, but I can't tell if the fans are on or not. So that's a bit weird. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna press this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, that's like to turn it off. Then press it once and see if that turns it back on. I have a feeling I might have to put this into the BIOS. But I'm having a bad feeling that I may have damaged my SSD by updating the driver.
Now connected to Geotrans.
I don't know. I'll just have to give it a few minutes. Guys, I'll make another video. But I'm just saying, be careful if you're updating the GFX driver. As you saw, it was AMD. It came directly from Steam, from the Steam website. So it's not like I just went to AMD and picked up a random driver and just stuck it on the Steam Deck. Ways to fix the Steam Deck. Buying another SSD, which is gonna cost about $100. That means I lose all the games, which is a pity. I mean, I've got a micro SD card. I hope most of my stuff is on the micro SD card. I may have to remove the micro SD card. I'll give it a go. I'll make another video.